Hey folks, oftentimes it's just a few clouds on that western horizon that make for a pretty sunset, and that's what we've had this evening. The sun dipping below the horizon just about 2 or 3 minutes ago, but still some blue sky up there. It took all day to get any blue sky, but at least the clouds broke late this afternoon, and some places getting to see at least a little bit of sunshine before the day came to an end. But there's still clouds out there, and they will probably thicken up again tonight. Look at the satellite picture, and you'll notice that an awful lot of moisture kind of still creeping across in the upper levels of the atmosphere. There's a lot of moisture here at the surface, so there's a couple different layers of clouds, and they're not going to go away anytime soon. In fact, I think the pattern we're in now is going to favor a lot of these late night, early morning low clouds. It starts off really gray, and then we work all day, get a few breaks of sun in the afternoon, and then clouds come back in overnight. That's kind of what Future Track says happens tonight. By tomorrow morning, we are overcast again, probably some patchy fog. As the day goes on, though, some late day sunshine, not much, but a little bit, and there could be a sprinkle in 1 or 2 spots, but for the most part, it's a dry day. Sunday, we start the same way. Clouds early, some afternoon sunshine, and by then, with our wind kind of settling in out of the southeast, temperatures will warm up a little bit more, and Monday warms up even more than that, with plenty of clouds each day. We don't see a clear blue sky any day, but we do see some brief afternoon sunshine each of the next few days. Maybe a sprinkle tomorrow, then we're dry on Sunday and Monday. Here's the latest temperature map. Shows 64 in Wesco, 68 in McAllen right now, 67 in Rio Grande City. Go to the east, about 62 at the coast. Overnight tonight, some places don't get below 60, so a very mild night across the area under cloudy skies. And again, watch for that patchy fog showing up in a few places late tonight and early tomorrow. Then during the daytime tomorrow, we work at it, but we should climb back into the low 70s in most areas, so just a little bit warmer than today, and it may not reach those numbers until those clouds break a little during the afternoon, allowing just a little bit of sunlight, help to warm temperatures up a little bit. Then tomorrow, it's just the beginning. Look at Sunday and Monday, 80 and 83, and the records are well above that, but we're well above that seasonal norm, which is 72. Look at the picture of Texas tonight. An awful lot of clouds across the state. Some moisture out in West Texas, upward disturbance sitting back over here that's going to gradually work its way eastward across North Texas. It's not dipping this direction, but it will help to keep some clouds here over the next few days. And warm is the key word. Sunday, this front doesn't get here. Monday, still warm. Tuesday, still warm. Our next front looks like it's due in here probably Friday. So from now until next Friday, count on very mild temperatures. In fact, above average for the next 6 days. Day 7, still a question mark, but it looks like it'll probably cool off at some point Friday. And with that, temperatures dropping off quite a lot for the end of next week and for next weekend. Some chilly air on the move. A lot of the country will get cold again. Not as cold as this week, but cold. Will cool off just a little bit. Northeast winds at the coast turning around to the east tomorrow about 5 to 10, a light chop. The UV index is moderate. There's a low tide 7:23 in the morning, a high at 2 o'clock. There's 2 of those on there at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Seas running 2 to 4 feet with the water temperature at 61. So for tonight, 58, mostly cloudy, a little fog possible late in the day and then late in the night. Then tomorrow we start with some fog, maybe a little sprinkle, 72 with just a little bit of afternoon sunshine. 72, 80, 83. It is February, all right? We're warming up. Headed closer to springtime. We're 86 by Thursday. Next front cools it off quite significantly for Friday. That number may go up or down a little bit as we get closer to it. Still a question mark there, but most of the forecast looks unseasonably mild with a lot of clouds, some afternoon sunshine each day, some patchy fog each night. And again for tomorrow, a high of 72, and for a game day on Sunday, a high of about 80 degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.